For the last 15 years, my research team has been working up in the Arctic of Alaska, and what was found there was a gigantic dinosaur bone bed. And so we followed that up, trying to understand whether these dinosaurs were up there year-round, were they migratory, these sorts of questions. Along the way, we basically collected everything we found up there. We collected plants, we collected fish, dinosaurs, mammals, pterosaurs, and birds. And the birds have turned out to just be a blessing. Today, birds are the most speciose vertebrates on land. There's 11,000 species, more than mammals, more than reptiles. And some of those birds make their way up to the Arctic, taking advantage of the 24-hour vernal window up there. Some of the exciting discoveries we made up in the Arctic include birds. And we have some that are literally modern birds, what we call neornithides. And that's exciting. These are predate the oldest fossils by about 5 million years. What's really neat is we found that some of them were perinatal. So these are animals that literally died in the egg and their bones were preserved, or they just hatched out. So this shows that birds were nesting in the Arctic way back in the Cretaceous, and it pushes back the evidence for nesting behavior at the poles by 30 to 35 million years. Getting the cover of any journal is really exciting. It's kind of the keynote paper, so to speak, of that particular volume of the journal, and in science is one of the most prestigious journals in the world, and so it's a real thrill. Getting the cover draws a lot of attention to the research, basically our research program, and also our respective universities, particularly Florida State University and the University of Alaska Fairbanks.